this. All this Outre. I just wanted to show y'all that because I thought it was so funny that they legit put all that packaging for this ponytail right here. So this is the Outre Pretty Quick Premium Synthetic Fiber Pony. This is a 24-inch wraparound bulk free kinky straight ponytail in the color 1B. So my hair is colored 1. They didn't give me an option of what color, but it's fine. 1B will still work, and I'm excited to try it. I have tried the extended ponytail method by wrapping hair, but that kind of took me a little bit of time to kind of get the hang of it. So it's really nice that Outre came out with a version that's pretty much done for you. I believe this is less than $10. And yeah, so this is the look we will be going for. I think I'm gonna do mine high up on top of my head, and it also has instructions right here, so I'm just gonna be following that and doing my hair and bring you guys along with me. I don't want you guys to think that I'm a pro at every hairstyle. Sometimes they don't all come out good, but we're gonna hope and pray this one comes out because it is homecoming and I wasn't gonna go all out. I was actually gonna wear a wig, but it's really hot and I just want to try it out while I'm in the mood to film, and I don't feel like wearing makeup later, so let's just go ahead and get this done right now. And can we talk about this packaging really quick? So it's the back of the girl's head, but she has inches. That is so cute. Okay, so this is how the inside of the ponytail looks. It's just like some wefts and the pony, and then it has its own little side right here. I guess this is the portion of hair that you wrap around. So this really shouldn't take long, you guys. My hair is already blown out, like I said. I have a heat protectant right here. This is in another bottle, but this is the ORS. This is the ORS grapeseed heat protectant. So I'm just gonna leave my hair out around the edges just to, you know, help me get it a little bit more straighter. I'm gonna press the back too. The rest of my hair, like the sides, I think the sides are straight enough, but it's just like I need to make sure that my nape is secured. I actually blew out my hair a few days ago. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do this hairstyle or not, but since my friends started talking about it's homecoming and this and that, and what are you doing with your hair and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so like I said, this is the ORS grapeseed heat protectant. I'll leave a picture on the screen if you guys are looking for it, but I only sprayed one spray in my hand and I'm just gonna apply it. This is very like shiny. It smells so good, but a little bit goes a long way when it comes to this heat protectant, which is really good because I'm not trying to get heat damage just for the sake of a little ponytail for homecoming. None of my hair is pressed out, or as pressed as I am willing to get it. The middle of my hair, just to prevent it from being dry or anything, I'm going to add a little bit of whipped shea butter just to the middle, just to, you know, I don't know, y'all. I really don't be knowing what I'm doing, but I just be trying to protect my hair from being dry as much as I can. So I'm just going to apply that. And I'm also not trying to use any like heavy like products that are too heavy in my hair. Of course I'm going to shampoo my hair, but do a little twist. The bun, I do have some flyaways and stuff, and that's fine. So let's go ahead and do the ponytail. So I'm just gonna brush it out. Brush the bottom. This is a really dark one. This is actually a really dark 1B. Okay, so as y'all can see, it has So if you guys can see right here, it has a comb right here and 2 combs on the side to help you grip the hair in. So I'll put it in there. Then we're gonna take the one on the side, put it in, the one on the other side, put it in there. This actually looks really good. Wow, okay. So, and then where's the little piece at? Okay, so here's the little piece that they gave us. It doesn't have like a drawstring or anything. You literally just leave it like that. So if your hair is longer than mine, you can just braid your hair and just leave the braid maybe. So I'm gonna take this little piece that they gave us right here. I'm trying to make sure I have all of it. And we just gonna wrap it around. And if you guys, I'm gonna post a picture with the ponytail and stuff. When I post a picture on Instagram, please make sure you guys are you know, liking it. Help me tag Outre in it. Like, help me get their attention, y'all, so I can show them how bomb this ponytail is. And then we just gonna brush it one more time. So the ponytail is very, very lightweight. I will say I wish it was a little bit more hair on it, but for the most part, I think this looks like how the ponytail should look. Like, this looks like the ponytail that girls pay like $50–$60 for. It is very long, it's very flowy. Try to brighten it up. Sorry if it was dark, I just brightened it up a little bit. So we're gonna bring some of these edges out and just lay them. When I first started doing this hairstyle, I thought I didn't want to put any extra product on it, but now that I'm looking at it, I kind of have to put product on it because my hair, like, to me, this isn't like a true yucky texture. It doesn't blend exactly with my hair. Now I do have flyaways, but I don't want to have to press my hair or put that much heat on it. The little bit of heat that I did put, I don't mind, but I don't want to have to. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite Murray's hair dressing pomade. This was $3 at the beauty supply store. And what I like about pomades and waxes, I'm not really a fan of like edge controls, is that they're thick and they hold the hair. Like, yes, they're hard to wash out, and if you do a style with a hair pomade wax, you have to wash your hair again, but you're gonna get that hold in your hair. So I'm gonna take a little bit of it. You have to be careful with this and make sure you warm it up. And I'm just gonna put it on the outsides of where my hair, like where I have the flyaways at. Then I'm gonna take some of my Got to Bleed Goo gel and I'm gonna put that on the outside. Now, I just did a video where I said y'all not gonna see this little one no more. Y'all not gonna see it after I finish it. So then I put that on top and I'm gonna brush it up. Do not, when you're doing hairstyles like this, do not use water-based products. Do not use gel. Do not use, like, don't use any curling cream. Just don't use stuff like that, because you're not going to get the results that you want out of the hairstyle. Letting your bobby pin show with your hairstyle is going to be a dead giveaway that, like, your hair not professionally done or nothing. Like, and we don't want, ain't nobody clocking my sis, like, not for homecoming, not never. So for my edges, I'm gonna take a little bit of oil, not too much, just a drop, and I'm just gonna put that on my edges to help protect them, because the ingredients in the Got to Be glue is not the healthiest. So we're gonna do that. So, and then I'm gonna use, oh, you guys, I got this edge brush, if anybody was wondering. I got it from the beauty supply store here, like down the street from my house. It ain't nothing. You can use a toothbrush if you don't have one. If you don't have that, use a comb. It's not that deep. I just thought it was cute. Now, y'all, is I'm probably going to redo my makeup, and I'm just going to get ready to go out to the event. I'm going to like a party with some of my friends. Like I said, it's FAMU's birthday. We gotta go hard or go home. So I'm just making sure my hair is wrapped all around so it can be pressed down. and I'm just gonna leave it like this for at least an hour, y'all. I got an hour to get ready, so I'm gonna leave it on wrapped and just leave the sides out, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so this is the final outcome of the hair. All I did was put the scarf on my head, and that's pretty much it. Edges are laid, but the ponytail looks really nice. I think you guys should definitely try it. I'm all ready for homecoming. Happy birthday FAMU, period, poo. But this is how the ponytail looks, and it was really easy to put on, so y'all should definitely try it. Alright, that's that on that.